Welcome to Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSC online audio and video lessons. So students, now this is the second part of the video, that is the chapter 7. Now I am going to show you how to create forms and how to create report. Only these two things are left in this chapter. Query I have already explained. Now let me show you how to create form. Form means, like in the form, when someone gives you a form to submit, you just write there, already it is written a name, so that in that place you are writing your name, class, in that place you are writing your class. The same way here also we are creating form, but the forms heading will be all this, the names which you are seeing here, this field names, this will be the heading, and in the place of value this data will be written in that. Okay, so let me show you how to create a form. Go to create, click on this create option, and in this go to form. Can you see here form? So click on this form. See, now can you see how it is written? First, the form is filled by Anjali, last name Mishra, father name Ranjit, and all these thing details are given. In this, how many data are there? 4 data, so it can be seen here directly, and this is the first one. Then if you click on this arrow, next record, then next record, and then next record. And if you click on this first arrow, the first record will be shown, and if you click on this arrow, the last record will be shown. And if you click on this arrow, the new record will be shown. Now if you have to write here, so it is, you are not able to write here anything, so for writing you have to go to this form view. Once you this, can you see here down, this is the form view and this is the layout view. In the layout view you are not able to write anything, so you have to go in the form view to write. Now suppose this is Meena, and last name is suppose Sharma, and this is the last name Sharma, and this is father name, suppose Priyesh, and address Vasai, Vasai East. Date of birth, see the calendar came here, click on the calendar, whatever you want you can select it. Aadhaar card given, yes. Fees, suppose delete it, 1000. Okay, so this way you have entered the data. Now there are 5 data, can you see it? So you can also go to this, and your 5th data you can see it. Now this is the next one for the new data. So now you understand, and you can see these details in the table also. In this, when you go to the 5th one, Meena, and you have to close this form first. You have to press yes, you have done this. Okay, so now this is the this is the new student details. From here you have to see it. Can you see it now? The datas, can you see here? This is the datas are available. Okay, so this way you have to create your data. You can close this one, and then again if you open you will be finding it. See, this new data has been entered. So refresh. For refreshing you have to close it, and again you just open this table, it will be showing you the new one. This is the new detail we have entered in the table. Can you understand? Okay, and this is the way we are creating the forms. So after creating the forms, now let us go to the, again go to create, let us create a report. Report, have you seen? Report is like today's date is given, a summary of the thing is given, whatever there. The same way here also we are creating a report. For the report, go to this create button and click on this report. Can you see this report button? Click on this. See, a report is created. Student detail, this is the name of the company, this is today's date, time. With that you will be getting a report. Can you see here the report? So this is the report. 5 details are there, that it is showing you total 5 details are there, and this is the whole table. It will be shown like this, and you can take a printout also, because page 1 of 1 means there is, you can take a printout also of this. Okay, so now you understand how to create report and how to create forms. Again I am showing you how to create report. If you close it, no, just press no, and to create a report, go to the create button, go to this report button, click on this report, and the report is created. So this is way, and you can save it while pressing this close button. See, while you will close, so you want to save, yes. So student detail report. See, now this report can be seen, forms can be seen, and table. So now you understand what is report. You can directly click here, so you will get the report. Directly click here, you will get the form design, and this is their table. So these are the things which were there in chapter 7. So it is completely explained. So go through the video and try making this thing. Till then, thank you and have a nice